Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use OBS Virtual Camera with audio on Ome TV. Don't forget to like and subscribe and make sure to watch the entire video for all the details. Let's get started. First, make sure you have OBS Studio installed. You can easily download it by searching for OBS Studio on Google. Step 1. Renaming the virtual camera in Regedit. Open Regedit on your PC and press Ctrl plus F to open Find. Then type OBS Virtual Camera and click Find Next. When you find the friendly name of OBS Virtual Camera and double click on it. Then rename it to HD Webcam D20 and click on OK. Now repeat the process by clicking Find Next again to locate another friendly name. Then rename that to HD Webcam D20 as well and close the Regedit. Step 2. Fixing the audio issue. First, open your browser and search for virtual audio cable. Then go to the first website and download it. After that, extract the file to your desktop and run the setup file to install virtual audio cable. Once installed, open the volume mixer and click on System Sounds. Now find virtual audio cable and set it as a default microphone. Step 3. Configuring OBS Studio. Open OBS Studio. Then go to the settings and click on audio. Now set line 1 virtual audio cable as the monitoring device and click apply and OK. Then in the audio mixer, click the 3 dots next to your audio source and set audio monitoring to monitor and output. Repeat this process for any media source you are using. After that all, restart your PC or laptop. Once done, right-click this PC and select Manage. Then find and disable all your webcams in Device Manager. Step 5. Using OBS with Ome TV. Open Ome TV on your browser, then you will see the OBS logo appear as your webcam. Also, you can see your default mic is line 1 virtual audio cable. Now minimize your browser, enable your webcam in Device Manager and return to OBS Studio. Now add your webcam in OBS Studio and click on Start Virtual Camera. Now your virtual camera and audio should work perfectly with Ome TV. Also, strangers can hear your media source sounds. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment if you found this helpful. See you in next video.